So I'm at the Machine Tool and Die program here at Southern High School. I have multiple different projects that I'm working on. I use different machines, lathes, mills, surface grinders, welders. I just got back from a skills competition and Chris Snow came to me and was like, I'm looking for this device that will fit on this fire alarm or smoke detector.
We've had some fire technicians who have to service parts of our fire alarm that detect carbon monoxide in some of our mechanical spaces. Had a few locations where we were unable to access them, so we're like, there's got to be a better way to take this device down from the ground. So decided to come see our friends over the academies of Louisville of Southern High School to try to make the device for us.
So we came up with this design here based off of the light bulb changers and all that. It fits into the grooves of the fire alarm nicely, so when you put it on a pole, it won't slip out.
And he really knocked it out of the park and was able to come up with something that is going to allow us to safely change these devices out.
I was pretty proud because it was a very difficult project. Trying to get these angles at the right angle to fit this, that was very difficult.
It speaks highly of the fact that we can come to them with a problem and they are able to manufacture it from start to finish. These students are learning real life problem shooting skills and preparing them for jobs within the market.
Probably out of all the classes, this is my absolute favorite. We're always doing something. I don't like sitting down and just doing paperwork all the time. I like being hands-on. I feel like I learn better that way, and I feel like a lot of other people learn better that way.